Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notifications from the multiple subjects as well as the multiple colleges guys. And here for only postgraduates also the opportunities are there, or else the UGCNET or the PhD candidates also opportunities are there. And while coming to the salary here, 56,100 to 1,77,500 rupees per month will be available. Okay, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those subjects. After watching this video, it will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got the matching recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. Coming to the present content of the video, so here you may check down the first one is the Vidya Vikas College of Arts and Science, Commerce, so from Mumbai. And in this one you can check down the applications are invited for the position of assistant professor from the multiple departments. They are accountancy and finance, management, foundation course, mathematical and statistical techniques, business communication in English and economics, computer system and application information technology, bachelor of mass media and physical education. And all the vacancies are announced under the open category, so the interested candidates may apply for this one guys. And the candidates who are interested, the applications with full details should reach the chairman or secretary, Vidya Vikas Education Trust and Vidya Vikas College of Arts, Science, Commerce, BMM and BMS. And here the address is also given here, so you may check down guys within the 15 days. Fine. And coming to the next one is the University of Kashmir from Srinagar. So here few vacancies are announced guys from the Institute of Technology. So coming to the departments, electronics and communication and electrical engineering and mechanical engineering. And coming to the eligibility, only post graduation is enough, so there is no need of UGCNET or the GATE qualification or the PhD is not required. And these are all the contractual positions, and each and every department is having the 2 number of vacancies are there. And the candidates in their own interest are advised to be in touch with the Dean School of Engineering about the date, venue and the time of interview. And the salary of appointees shall be paid on the basis of their qualification. So just it is a PDF is there. Whoever the candidates are interested in these contractual lecturer vacancies, you may visit the official website of this Kashmir University. And while coming to the next college is Mahatma Gandhi Labour Institute. So from this one also here we got few assistant professor as well as associate professor vacancies are announced here. So coming to the advertisement for the post of assistant professor, the qualifications and each and everything based upon the UGC 2018 regulations. Fine. And here the subjects: assistant professor in industrial safety and law, preferably labor law, and economics as well as the environmental science. So these are the subjects guys. And coming to the minimum qualifications in the industrial safety, BE, ME, PDIS and 5 years of experience. And coming to the law, LLM plus NET or PhD plus working experience. Coming to the economics, BA, MA, PhD or NET in economics. And in environmental science, graduation as well as a post graduation in life science, PhD or the NET in environmental science is required. Okay, so over all these things, the PG with minimum 55% is required. So any addendum or corrigendum shall be posted only on the official website, and the applicants have to download the application form from the latest news section of the official website and the duly filled forms of the respective post on this given mail ID. So you need to send to this one guys. If you want to get the more details, you may visit the official website of this one, but I will provide the PDF link of this one in the description box of this video. Okay, and coming to the pay scales mentioned by this college, associate professor mentioned here, and while coming to the assistant professor, fixed monthly salary for the initially 5 years, that is 55,000 rupees per month, and after 5 years the renewing the based upon the performance and the report by higher authorities, it may be regularized on the pay scale of 56,100 to 1,77,500 rupees per month. So there is a chance of regularizing your vacancies guys, so in this college. So please once have a detailed view regarding this one. And next college is this one. So Sri Rawatpura Sarkar University, recognized by the UGC from Raipur. So in this one, there is a requirement is there for the dean, professor, associate, assistant professor, lecturer, visiting faculty and the following faculty or the departments. They are commerce, management, hotel management, law, electrical, civil, mining, Hindi, English, psychology, political science, mass communication, mathematics, physics, zoology, biotechnology, optometry, MLT, fashion designing, interior designing, computer science, and special education. Okay. And while coming to the non-teaching positions, here I may check down the director, admission, HR manager, and administrative officer, public relation officer, and estate manager. So few non-teaching vacancies are also there. And the campus director in the Jabalpur, so for nursing as well as the pharmacy. So for this one also, the non-teaching vacancies are there. And the qualifications and experience, all these things as per the UGC, AICTE, BC, and the PCA norms. The retired professors from government institute may also apply for this one. Whoever the willing candidates are there, you may go to the official website of this one and go to the career section. Okay, here itself, you have to click on this apply now, and then you will be directed to the Google form, guys. So whatever the position you are interested and you are eligible, so you need to apply for that one. Okay. So these are the clear-cut details of all the different recruitment notifications, guys. So one is from this university, and it is a private university in Raipur. And second one is a government institute, that is Mahatma Gandhi Labour Institute. And next one is the University of Kashmir. Okay, it is a state university. And the next one is the State University Affiliated College in Mumbai, that is Vidya Vikas College of Arts, Science and Commerce. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the job vacancies in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. To bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay, and here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity.